When the world suddenly falls asleep, a force is awakening. Listen, that's the heartbeat of the core power of DEHRAY ultra-silent generator set. Still confused about how to operate an ultra-silent genset quickly and safely? Today, let's take the DEHRAY RDE25SS3 that's ultra-silent genset as an example, guiding you step by step from startup preparation to operation, load management, and shutdown, all from a first-person perspective for easy handling. Step 1. Pre-start preparation. 1. Open the pack and verify accessories against the packing list. Two. Open the fuel tank cap and fill with diesel. 3. Open the cap on the door. Unscrew the engine oil cap to fill oil, then pull out the dipstick to check the oil level. 4. Connect the battery cables. 5. Open the radiator tank cover on top of the genset. Unscrew the cap and check the water level. Step 2. Starting the genset. Take the power switch key from the accessory bag to start the genset and check the voltage and frequency for stable performance. Step 3. Stable operation. Connect the electrical devices, close the circuit breaker, and turn on the devices to verify stable genset operation. Step 4. Shutting down the genset. Turn off the connected electrical devices, disconnect the circuit breaker, and shut down the genset. Every time the DEHRAY genset achieves stable output, it is a concrete manifestation of DEHRAY's brand promise. From the powerful roaring of the starting engine to the continuous power supply protection, DEHRAY marks the transmission of electricity more humane.